put some more stuff in real quick.
What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel, John with a Camaro. Title says, how fast does my 2017 SS Camaro go? Now, I'm not gonna go freaking fast. We're not gonna go fucking 180 or 150 on the freeway, on the streets, man. I just want to show you guys a little horsepower that this car has. So far, I've done the Camaro 2018 ZL1, I've done a 370Z 2015, and I've done a 2011 Coyote Mustang 5.0. So today, I got my GoPro back. Honestly, I lost my freaking charger to this freaking awesome GoPro. So I got the headset ready for you guys, for how much footage we get as well. And yeah, guys, we're gonna show you how fast this baby can go. Follow me on Instagram, who follow me on Snapchat, y'all know what happened the day before, man. Pool party in Dublin. We were driving hella fast, super fast. Not as fast, but we were driving pretty fucking fast. Jesus, man, look at that. Oh, man. Oh. Yo, follow me on my Instagram if you guys haven't followed, man. Camaros, man, is you don't have to twist anymore. You just open it. Put that shit on track. Alright, guys, let's get on the way. Let's see how pretty quick I can take this car, man. I've taken it to at least 120, 130. People are already looking at me weird as fuck with this headset and this GoPro on my head. So let's get it lit, guys. Let's get it lit. Since I was really fucking empty, I put in $50 and it didn't even fill up with 50 bucks, and that's on Supreme. Now on my V6 my V6 Camaro, I never put Supreme because I never really needed it. Today's the gas prices be going up. Gee, I remember it was at $2.50 like 2 years ago, 3 years ago, and look at it now, it's like damn near $5 freaking dollars. So let's get this shit on the road, man. If you guys remember this entrance freeway, y'all want to give this video a thumbs up, you feel me? Give this video a thumbs up, because honestly, those who know about this place have been subscribed to my channel for the longest time. People are still looking at me hella freaking weird, man. Oh man, I hate when the light turns green and then it turns red so fast, man, so fast. Let me look behind. We got people everywhere though. Here we go. That sounds fucking sexy. Third pull. Show you guys another entrance pool. We're about to exit right now and get back on the freeway really fast. Oh man, no shit, dude. Scat pack looking clean though, bro. Are you coming over here? Hey, no shit, no shit. Alright, entrance pull again, guys. Entrance pull again. Let's get it lit. Ready for this fucking pool, guys? Y'all ready for this mother effing pool? I'm probably gonna do second gear pool. See how fast I can get right there. second gear pull, bro. It's fucking dope. Was that shit fun though, bro? The GT. Oh man. So we hit 125. Holy shit. We got people up here just looking, man. Let's slow down on traffic. Woo! Crazy, crazy. Oh man. Last time to exit, guys, man. I just wanted to do 2 pull for you guys, man, cause shit, dude. Shit was intense. 5th gear. Woo! Oh man, you can just hear it in 5th gear, bro. You can just hear it, how sexy it is. The thing I like about being in 2nd gear on cruise, like just cruising, is you're able to make your car crack and pop. It's just fucking crazy. Shit is dope, man. We gotta put down the window, man, because it's hot. It is hot. We got a Challenger coming up in here, man. Oh, never mind, look. He's going in the freeway. Oh, man. Look at this Jeep right here, though. Is it an SRT? Is it an RT, or what is it? Ooh, she's driving an RT. She's driving an RT, man. Fucking sexy. Oh, man, these craggles, guys. Someone honked at me. I don't know why, but the need for speed, man, has me going lit. I'm so lit just off the highway, the speed, man. Oh my God, dude, I'm loving it. I am literally loving this car. Give the video a thumbs up, guys, man. We went up to 125. 2nd pull, you already are at fucking, before you hit 7 RPMs, you're damn near at freaking 70 miles per hour. And when you shift to 3rd gear, man, you're already 100. So that's just fucking crazy, man. I'm fucking loving it, man. To the channel, man. Thank you guys so much for watching my freaking videos, man. I love you guys, man. You guys are the effing best. For those who's been subscribed and for those who are just subscribing, thank you guys so much. And you guys watching the videos, commenting, it's fucking epic, bro. Epic. I love conversations. Keep that flow going, guys. Keep commenting. It's fucking epic, guys. If you're new, man, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and like I said again, man, if you did enjoy the video, man, make sure to hit that like button. Again, thank you guys so much. It's fucking awesome. I'll see you guys in my next freaking epic video, man. John with the Camaro, man. I'm out. Peace.
Can you put some else real quick?